Hello guys, subscribe again for my video, and this is the mic well I used it, and thank you so much because my subscriber is 27 and he become 27, 28, and subscribe again for my video. My subscriber is going to 50 because I want a 50 subscriber now because I need a 15 subscriber and sorry, my brother is nosy, and I want to live as the say kailang and 50 subscriber. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.